Now let's talk about your brand's personality. Why is this important? This will help you with two main things: clarity and consistency. Clarity, it makes your brand relatable. It helps you connect emotionally with your audience, simplifies your storytelling. It gives you a clear direction for your messaging. It makes your brand memorable. It makes your brand stand out and easy to remember. It simplifies decision making. It builds trust. When your brand feels like a genuine, consistent presence, your audience is much more likely to trust you. Consistency, it builds trust. You'll always communicate the same way, so it's easier for them to trust you. There are no sudden changes. They know what to expect from you. It creates a wholesome experience, whether your audience interacts with your brand on your website, email, social media. They will feel like they are engaging with the same brand. And it ensures a unified approach as your business grows. Having a clear brand persona allows you to scale without losing your brand's essence, whether you're outsourcing content creation, for example, or bringing in a new team members. You will remain recognizable and resonating to your audience. So let's put it into practice. Now, think of your brand as if it were a person. And I'm going to do an important disclaimer here. Your brand is not you. The personality traits that your brand has do not have to mirror your own. Your brand's personality can be distinct, separate from yours. So, unless you are a freelancer or a founder, for example, that is working on your personal brand, think of your business as a different persona than yourself. All right. I am going to ask you to pause this lesson and fill out the brand persona worksheet that you will find with the resources. On pages 1 and 2, you will see spaces to fill out with the brand statement and the tapping into your why exercises that we did before. This will be helpful for you to have everything in one place. Then the worksheet is divided into two sections. Section 1, here you will list 3 to 5 core values that your brand lives by. These values are the foundation of your brand's personality and will help provide clarity for the next step. All right, so pause the video and fill out this, then you can go on. Once you have your brand's values, move on to the second section where you will identify 3 to 5 personality traits that best describe your brand. Think of your brand as a person. What adjectives would you use to describe it? For each value and personality trait, there's space below to explain what each one means to your brand. Be as clear and specific as you can. You cannot just say your brand is friendly. Say why, say how, say what's the goal of being friendly, or what your audience experiences when they come across the traits of your brand's personality. All right. The clearer you are about your brand's values and the traits you list, the clearer your brand persona will be to your audience, not only to you, but if you are clear here, it will become clearer to your audience. And this clarity will allow you to create a much deeper and more meaningful connections with them. There is an example activity in the resource sections. So if you're unsure about how to fill out your brand persona worksheet, you can go check. You also can analyze other brands for inspiration. For example, spend some time studying brands that you love or the ones that you come across today. For example, when you finish this video, you just analyze the first brand you come across. What are their values? Are they hard workers? Are they nature lovers? Are they socially committed, for example? Don't go down the easy path. Take your time to really understand your brand's value. All right. Think of yourself as a psychologist analyzing what is it that drives your brand. Don't settle for surface level answers and dig deeper. So My personal example to help you understand this exercise. Me, for example, I believe things can always be made simpler and more efficient. This drives me in everything I do. So, this is what I do here in this course. I'm making marketing concepts easier for you to use in the best way possible in your business. I'm also passionate about entrepreneurship because I am an entrepreneur myself. I know how much hard work founders put into bringing their dreams to life. So I want to support and empower them in the way I can. Above all, I am a Christian, so my work and my life follow the values that my faith gives me. This is my example. This is my persona. So go ahead, write it down, and what is it that drives you every day?